Hey, it's Mark Schaefer from Brown Harris Stevens and the Harkov-Lewis team. Welcome to 715 Park Avenue, a full-service white glove doorman building with live-in super, porters, full service. Come on in. This apartment is so great because you have a formal hallway that leads into this great space with room for a dining table, this really large open living room. Let's check it out. Emery Roth & Sons designed this building for furniture. You have these gracious floor plans. Furniture fits really well in this stylish and beautiful apartment. This is the perfect place to have a morning cup of coffee. It's so quiet back here. It faces the common courtyard of the building. It's just really nice. Finally, a bedroom you can fit a king-size bed in and other furniture as well. Both closets here have the California closet system. Just 2 blocks away, Central Park beckons with its lush greenery and endless recreational opportunities. Indulge in the finest dining, shopping, and cultural experiences the Upper East Side has to offer, with iconic restaurants, museums, and Madison Avenue boutiques at your fingertips. Come on in, check it out. DM me, send me a message. Can't wait to see you soon.